Hey guys, today we are going to make a delicious roasted hot honey corn on the cob recipe. Very simple, very easy. So let's go. Alright, so we're going to go over everything we're going to use to make our roasted hot honey corn. We have 1 teaspoon of red pepper flakes, our melted butter, of course our freshly shucked and cleaned corn on the cob, and all of the spices along with the honey and the oil that we're going to be using to make our corn, okay? So the first thing you want to do is coat your corn in that oil and then go on with all the spices that you want to use and then rub that in, okay? Now you guys know it is officially summertime and we are looking for those quick and easy recipes that we can make for our family without being behind a hot stove, okay? So a lot of people underestimate corn because when I say yes, corn can get you full, it can definitely get you full, okay? Give me like 2 or 3 of these because I love corn and I'm good. So what we're going to do is take our honey, take our butter and add our honey in there. And I went in with about 2 tablespoons of that honey. And then we're going to add those red pepper flakes along with a little bit of your other seasonings that you want to add in there. We're going to give that a good mix, and then we're going to coat the corn with some of that butter with the honey and the spices in it, okay? We're going to do that at the beginning and after the corn is done. So here's the corn here. I did bake it on 375 for a total of 15 minutes, and yes, our corn is done. You don't necessarily have to cook it all away if you want that extra that extra crunch to your corn. But 15-20 minutes, guys, it should be good. And just kind of flip it in between that time, okay? So we're going to take that butter with the honey in it, give it a good basting, and here it is here. So if you guys enjoyed my video, please give my video a thumbs up. Support my channel by subscribing. And guys, that thumbs up helped me a lot. So until next time, you guys take care. Later.